era of space exploration has started. Land on the Moon is on sale. Cars are sent into space, and aliens do not seem so scary now. We offer you new life hacks for galaxy travels. Watch our new video and keep in mind ideas on how to look your absolute best in space. Meet Starla, a cosmic girl. She adores everything connected with galaxies, starfalls, and extraterrestrial worlds. Even black holes do not scare her. She is a fiction bookworm, and her biggest dream is to meet a UFO in person. Once upon a time, she gets deep into another fiction world, falls asleep, and... Has my dream actually come true? I find myself in another unexplored world. There is oxygen, and it's great. There are other planets. Moreover, someone keeps touching my shoulder. Is there a real representative of an extraterrestrial civilization? It's a small world. My new alien friend is hard to catch. I wonder how she can move in space so quickly. Is it due to some space technologies? It turns out that her teleportivers, or teleporting sleeves, have something to do with it. Wrap your arms with plastic wrap. Cut off the excess. Wrap your arm with silver tape on top of it so that there are no gaps. Cut the sleeve from the inside carefully. Take it off. Trim the edges. Make 2 rows of holes opposite each other across the 2 sides of the cut. Use a hole punch. Lace up the sleeve with a silver string. Tie a bow. Make 1 more identical sleeve. It is so easy to move in space and in time with these galaxy sleeves. Otherwise, aliens wouldn't do anything on time because the galaxy is so enormous. Just cross your arms and teleporting chain and sleeves locks up, so the alien disappears. To tell the truth, teleportivers might fail sometimes. My pajamas have turned into a galaxy dress in this new world. My new friend the alien opens up all the possibilities of my dress. It turns out it is made out of stardust, so it can shine. Fold tulle and cut out a dress top. Sew the 2 halves. Cut tulle for a skirt in half. Hot glue a piece of rubber for a belt. Layer up pieces of the tulle and put them on the belt. Fasten it with hot glue. Decorate a battery bank with silver paper and attach it to the rubber. Stretch out the light garland and attach it along the belt of the skirt, making a zigzag. I'm excited about my new star dress. Pluto Fashion Week is the right place where I should go wearing it. The stylish dress designed by Cassiopeia emphasizes the shining of my eyes. But my galaxy stylist says there's something missing. Maybe a spacesuit? Or maybe a space necklace. Some extraterrestrial technologies, and the accessory is on my neck. Draw a curved line on a piece of paper. Trace the template with thin metallic wire. Cut off the excess with cutters. Make rings on the ends. Touch up the curved wire with pliers if it is needed. Take a piece of metallic colored ribbon, pass it through the rings, and tie it up. Cut off the excess. Now my look is ready for sure. I will shine brighter than any star in the Beauty and Style constellation. I wish I could travel to other planets. I wonder... Oops! Where's my alien friend? Oh, here she is. She's like a flash as always. And there is something in her hands. It looks like a super fast means of space transportation. It's a jet backpack. Take labels off 2 identical big plastic bottles. Spray paint them in silver. Make a Turbo Boost inscription on them with pink paint. Hot glue the bottles to each other and hot glue silver strings to the back. These will be straps for a jet backpack. Cut flares out of yellow, orange, and red paper. First of all, cut out a small yellow flare. Then goes a bigger one of orange paper. And finally, cut out the biggest red flare. Attach the flares to the caps of the bottles. I want to explore the entire galaxy right now, but Miss UFO doesn't allow me to go without her. After all, no one would be able to stand on my Milky Way if I have a jet backpack like this. Once my alien friend is distracted, I fly into the open space right away. Open space is very beautiful. The planets sparkle, comets wag their tails, and there's a traffic jam on the way to the black hole again. I have no idea where I am. My alien friend must have been looking for me, and here she is. Sorry, I've gotten completely lost in space and time. My sun clock is fast in outer space. But Miss UFO has a solution again. She bends a gold galaxy stick and gets a useful device. This is a special watch that helps keep time loops in galaxy space. Paint a round metallic mirror black. Print out an electronic watch display and cut it out. And attach it to the lid of the mirror with double-sided tape. Attach the mirror to a wide bracelet. The watch fits into my style perfectly, but it is hard to figure out what kind of style my alien friend has. I will need millions of light years to study in a galaxy makeup school to learn how to do the same makeup. But the galaxy makeup artist says there's nothing difficult in doing such galaxy makeup. It's a piece of cake. I need to follow her step-by-step instruction. First of all, define galaxy cheekbones. Then, silver up your brows a bit. Do your contouring with Stardust. And add some star chic. Make your eyes pop and do unusual lip makeup. There you go! Galaxy makeup is ready! We may go to a galaxy club for a Mars party. I want to see what I look like. Then Miss UFO reveals a little secret about my new watch. It has a separate function. It doesn't only show time, it shows beauty too. I can take part in the Miss Universe contest with this sparkling makeup. I will definitely win! But something is still missing. I don't have these silver sleeves, but my alien friend knows how to solve the problem. Silver stickers are a new fashion trend of this galaxy season. They will perfectly complement my new extraterrestrial look. Miss UFO wants to dress up for the Mars party too. She chooses glasses from the new Venus Summer 2018 collection for herself. Take lenses out of plastic sunglasses. Cover the rims with paper glue and sprinkle it with silver nail art beads. Cut a thin silver chain into pieces to fit the size of the lens and attach it in parallel to the inside part of the rims from top to bottom. I won't be afraid of any gravity with these stylish glasses. Oops! Something must have gone wrong. It looks like a space quake. Is it another space storm? Wait, where is Starla? Has she fallen into a black hole? I wake up. It's a pity it's just been a dream. Or not. Otherwise, how would you explain this galaxy watch that I'm still wearing on my hand? Did you like our galaxy ideas for space trips? Then write in your comments which life hack you would use. Would you make a galaxy fashion dress? Or do sparkly star makeup? Or fly away wearing a jet backpack? And of course, don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss the most interesting space ideas on the Troom channel.